Niall Ennis is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Plymouth Argyle. Ennis is a youth product of the Wolverhampton Wanderers Academy. In November 2015, he signed a 3-year professional contract, coming into effect after his 17th birthday. He suffered a fibular fracture in November 2016 that kept him out of action until the summer. He would suffer another fibular fracture in November 2016 that would keep him out for most of the 2016-2017 campaign. On the 26th of July 2017, he moved on a season-long loan to League One side Shrewsbury Town. He made his senior debut for the club on August 8 in the EFL Cup game against Nottingham Forest. On the 5th of September, it was revealed Ennis had suffered yet another long-term injury, this time to his knee, putting him out of action for at least 4 to 6 months. On the 5th of February 2019, Ennis made his first team debut for Wolverhampton Wanderers in an FA Cup 4th round replay against his former team Shrewsbury. On the 2nd of August 2019, Ennis signed a new contract to remain linked to Wolves until 2022. He was then loaned back to League One for the season, this time to Doncaster Rovers. On the 16th of October 2020, he joined Burton Albion on a season-long loan deal. However, on the 5th of January 2021, he was recalled by Wolverhampton Wanderers. On the 18th of January 2021, Ennis joined League One side Plymouth Argyle on a permanent basis for an undisclosed fee, signing a 2.5-year deal. He has also represented England at the under 16, 17, 18 and 19 levels.